In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with GitHub in just a few minutes. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, allowing you to manage your tasks and code in one cohesive space. Whether you're a project manager, developer, or part of a dynamic team, this integration can save you time by automatically linking your GitHub commits to tasks in Clickup. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Clickup's website. Clickup is a comprehensive tool designed for all sorts of work management needs. From here, log into your account. You will need to enter your email address followed by your password. Make sure to enter these details carefully because any small error will prevent you from accessing your account. Once your credentials are entered, click on the login button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in what is called the home of your workspace. It's a hub where you can see all your active tasks, projects, and notifications. If you're new to Clickup, take some time to explore this area. It can considerably enhance your productivity. However, for now, let's focus on the task at hand, integrating with GitHub. From your home section, navigate to the settings by clicking on your profile or workspace menu, and look for an option called App Center. The App Center is the gateway to all the integrations Clickup has to offer, including GitHub. Once you click on the App Center, you'll see a list of various applications you can connect with Clickup. Scroll through this list until you find GitHub. When you've found GitHub, the next step is quite straightforward. Click on GitHub to proceed with the integration. What you're doing here is essentially linking your Clickup tasks with your GitHub repos, so every time you push commits, they get synchronized automatically. This sets up a seamless information flow between your task manager and your coding platform. Next, you'll be prompted with an option to connect. Clicking on connect will initiate the process of integrating these apps. At this point, you might be asked to sign into your GitHub account if you're not already logged in via your browser. Enter your GitHub credentials as requested. It's essential that your account details are correct to establish a reliable connection between Clickup and GitHub for the integration to function properly. After you've entered your GitHub credentials, Clickup will request permission to access your GitHub account. These permissions are necessary for Clickup to link with your GitHub repository and perform functions such as creating branches or linking commits to tasks. Carefully review these permissions, and if you're comfortable, grant Clickup the necessary access. This part might seem a little daunting, but keep in mind that these permissions are standard for most integration services. Once you grant permissions, the connection is established and GitHub is officially integrated with Clickup. You'll often receive a confirmation message or notification, both on your Clickup and your GitHub account, signaling that the integration was successful. From here, you can start customizing how you want tasks and commits to link. For example, you could map specific branches to particular projects or tasks to millstones. How you use this integration can be as flexible as you need it to be. And that's it, you've successfully integrated GitHub with Clickup. As you continue to use these tools together, you'll likely discover more features and ways this integration can aid in your productivity. You can manage branching assignments directly from Clickup or go into a task's details to add commit messages. This integration is designed to boost your efficiency and keep your team tightly aligned toward common goals. Whether you're tracking progress or need to quickly pivot with agile methodologies, having Clickup and GitHub integrated can significantly optimize your workflows. Remember, this integration isn't just a one-time setup, it's meant to evolve with your projects. So consider revisiting and adjusting your settings as needed to match your project's growth and complexity. Thank you for watching. Please share feedback in the comments, and if you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Until next time, happy managing and coding.